All right, so we're back live on Twitch for another basic ass reaction. And today we're going to be checking out a music video that actually just came out literally like an hour ago while we were streaming. And this is a band that I'm very familiar with. And I don't know, to be 100% honest, I don't know if this is a new song or if they're just doing a video for one of their ones from their last album. But today we're going to be checking out the latest music video from technical death metal masters, Canadian band Archspire. I absolutely love this band. Their last album that came out was fantastic, 10 out of 10 from start to finish. I personally feel as though this band should get a lot more attention than what they actually have because they're just insanely talented individuals. But I get it. Technical death metal isn't for everybody, but hopefully we turn some people onto it today checking this out. So just a backstory on this. A couple weeks ago, I got an email from their guitarist, Dean Lamb, who I've had on the podcast and stuff like that, but like, I don't know these guys really well, like at all. We just know each other from the internet, but Dean sent me an email and said that they have a new video coming out and he wanted to know if I'd check it out. And according to him, this entire video was crowdfunded and they raised over 80,000 Canadian dollars to produce it. That's a huge budget for a music video for a band like this, dude. So I imagine that this is going to be a bonkers ass video. Now we've already seen when I pulled it up that it's age restricted. So I don't know how this is going to do on YouTube for me. It'll probably also be age restricted, but we saw it like in Drone Corpse Aviator and stuff too. There were some, I mean, it's like movies. It's graphic, but it's fake. It's not real. They're not really, you know, cutting people's heads off and stuff. But like I said, I don't know if this is a new song. It literally just says Archspire new music video 2023. There's no name on it. So we'll see pretty quickly if I recognize it or not. But let's get into this one, man. Budgeted at 80,000 Canadian dollars, which equals to about $3.50 in US dollars.
$3.50.
Archspire's new music video 2023. What hell that? The following video contains extreme technical death metal, which may be upsetting to some viewers. Amazing. Let's go. Oh, it's Bleed the Future. Yeah, this is one of my favorite songs from the fucking album, dude. I'm gonna go nuts in this. I bet there will be flashies. But there was not a warning for it. I'm sorry. I just saw Bobaruski in chat just go so fast. What the man? Yeah. Welcome to Archspire, dude. That's what these guys do. They go fast. Dude, the entire crew of people in this band are some of the most talented fucking musicians, dude. All around. Everything from the vocals, to the bass, to the guitars, to the drums. Absolute insanity. I want to go fast. Oh, is this their Juno after party? You know, earlier in this stream, we were talking about metal vocalists that are extremely articulate, and I just saw somebody in chat say, "Quick Tank, what did he say?" No fucking idea, dude. I can't understand Ollie. He's making sounds and it's fucking cool. I'm not fluent in technical death metal. I love Dean. What? Is this like Prometheus where they drank the shit that has the black goo in it and they're all gonna turn into fucking monsters? Oh my god, are you guys ready for one of the best fucking bridges in a song that I've heard in years? This whole part fucking slams, dude. It's so ridiculous. God damn. Is this like The Thing? God damn, dude. Ah, poor Dean. I was about to say I think Dean might live, but no. Oh, he rolled a 1 though. Oh my fucking god. Well, I'm not going to be monetizing this video on YouTube. That is for sure. The only thing I would have changed is if Dean rolled the 1 before he got killed. How amazing marketing would this be if this was like a tie-in for the trailer to a new Resident Evil? All these guys wanted to do was celebrate their fucking Juno Award-winning album, Bleed the Future. Couldn't even do that. I bet this was a blast to film.
So what you can do is you can imagine that you are, you know, you're falling or you're attacking something, or you're not listening. Okay, so you take the dice in your hand.
Oh wait, hold on. In the credits here, it says cult leaders, Toby's dad and Ollie's dad. That's amazing. Look at the fucking credits on this dude. Oh my god, and the thing says Juno on his knuckles.
Okay, keep going. Do that again, Toby. Do that again. Yeah, turn it more. Oh fuck!
So obviously I already knew the song. That's probably one of my most repeated listened to songs on that album. But like, I love how much fun these guys always have. Because if you've ever watched any of their band members in content or watched Dean's videos or streams or anything, like, you know these guys are just fun as hell. And I love that they portray that in there. In a world where way too many bands take themselves way too seriously, it's amazing that these guys do this kind of goofy shit. Like, I absolutely love it. I also love the shtick of how much they're pushing the Juno Award, because, like, for anybody that doesn't know, the Juno Awards are like the Canadian Music Awards that are a big deal to Canadians, not so much of a big deal to anybody else. So it's kind of funny that they're like making that such a joke, because I mean, a lot of people do, but dude, the fact that they actually did win like a Juno Award, and they were up against, I can't remember who they were up against. Let's look really quick. Metal Hard Music Album of the Year, Archspire won in 2022 for Bleed the Future. They were up against The Agonist, Brand of Sacrifice, Danko Jones, and Spirit Box, and they won. But considering how big Spirit Box has gotten over the last few years, I figured they probably would have won that. So for a band like Archspire to take that award is huge. Like, that's awesome and good for them. Just as a reminder to anybody that hasn't caught on by now, their latest album, Bleed the Future, has been out for a while. And again, I think it's absolutely fantastic. If you haven't listened to it, check it out. I'll throw links in the description of this video where you can go, order it or download it or buy it or whatever you want to do, because I love this band and I hope more people just get into them because they're absolutely fantastic. I thought it was a great video and I had a fun time with it, man. I hope these guys are proud of the release. You had some good laughs, some good special effects and stuff in there. And the song, of course, is fantastic. So thank you to everybody on Twitch that's watching now. If you're watching on YouTube later, again, I'll have information in the description of the video where you can go check out their socials and their album and stuff like that. But until next time, thank you so much for watching. Wherever you are in the world, be safe, be kind to each other. I love you all, and I will be back very soon with another basic ass reaction.